This is a 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX, showing here in a rally red hull with the black canvas tops.
Hello, I'm David from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'm standing on a 2020 21-foot SPX. The boat is in rally red with a dune interior. It's outfitted with a 250 horsepower Mercruiser Alpha 1 with a stainless steel prop. This particular model has a rear swim ladder over here. Nice swim platform for hanging out in the cove. Has a rear sun lounger. It's easy to flip up and also to go away. Underneath my feet over here is a separate cooler spot with a battery switch and wet storage. We also have a rear transom door over here. Okay, as we move forward into the cabin of the boat, we have some additional storage underneath this hatch right here. All of the hatches are cam locked and finished on the rear, on the bottom side. Underneath the rear seat, we have a built-in cooler for wet storage. The carry-off cooler on the starboard side. More storage underneath the seat. And of course, we have the ski locker with lots of storage underneath. Farther forward, we have dual captain's chairs with thigh bolsters that are standard that flip up. Get your head above the windshield, easier for docking and easier for seeing. On the helm, we have a Fusion Rift stereo system that is Bluetooth AM/FM, analog gauges with the digital depth finder. Tilt steering wheel as well. Additional storage underneath the port side helm with a lockable glove box area for your cell phones and personal items. Of course, the windshield folds closed with a lock. Storage under the seats. This front pad is actually removable, so you can board the boat from the front when you need to without stepping on any of the cushions.